Hi everyone, today's video is about this Himalaya Herbals sparkling white toothpaste. This is a very old company and established brand here in India. The weight of this one is 150 grams and the price is 90 rupees, and there's also a free toothbrush and tongue cleaner, and it's really a good deal actually. So when you buy this one, make sure there's a seal like this one to make sure you get the authentic product. So let me show you guys the tongue cleaner and the free toothbrush provided on this one. So this is the tongue cleaners, kind of the perfect size for you, and this is the toothbrush. To be honest guys, my main purpose of buying this is not the toothpaste, because I was behind this toothbrush because I really love this toothbrush from this brand, and I use this and I have this one actually. So I always try to get this one whenever I find it from a store. As you can see, it's not easily available, and it's difficult for me to find a separate toothbrush, specifically this one. I really love the softness. It's not that extra soft nor that hard that it could hurt your gums. I used to have a charcoal extra soft toothbrush from a Colgate, but my dentist advised me not to use it. So let's see the packaging of this one. This toothpaste claims to whiter teeth in 2 weeks, no chemical bleach, 100% vegetarian, and free from parabens. So this one comes also in different sizes. They have like 40 grams, 80 grams, and 175. So this is a good size for me, 150 grams. Well, according to their website, the key ingredients of this one are almonds, menthol, pineapple, papaya, clove, cinnamon, and miswak. I can see here some of those ingredients are mentioned: miswak, and this one, papain and bromelain, papaya and pineapple, and almond shell extract, and menthol. And for those who are not aware what miswak is an herb that reduces gum inflammation, prevents gum bleeding, and strengthens gums. Since I have used this one already last year, I can tell that the whitening claims never worked for me or for my teeth. I did not feel any improvement at all. It's just a regular toothpaste for me, except the key ingredients are really great. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.